Why do 70% of writers struggle with writer's block? It's time to change that with ChatGPT. Welcome to our third video in the AI Essentials series. Today, we're diving into how ChatGPT can supercharge your writing skills. Whether you're crafting emails, reports, or creative stories, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Need ideas? Ask ChatGPT for prompts. Want to polish your draft? Let ChatGPT suggest improvements. Stuck on a sentence? ChatGPT can refine your writing style. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to polished professional writing. Embrace the power of AI with ChatGPT and take your writing to the next level. Happy writing.